What should you do after a construction site accident? Have you ever wondered what steps to take if an accident happens on a construction site? It's a situation no one wants to face, but being prepared can make a huge difference. Let's break down the essential actions you should take right after an accident occurs. First, the immediate safety of everyone on site is the top priority. If it is safe to do so, stop all hazardous activities to prevent further injuries. If you are trained in first aid, provide assistance to any injured workers. If the injury appears serious, do not hesitate to call emergency services right away. Next, it is important to alert the emergency response team and authorities. Notify the designated emergency response team or safety officer on site. If necessary, contact emergency services such as 911 for help. Make sure all workers are aware of the emergency and follow the established emergency action plans. After that, secure the accident area. Prevent anyone from entering the site of the accident to avoid additional injuries and preserve the scene for investigation. Clearly mark escape routes and assembly points for evacuation if needed. Following this, you should follow the site's emergency action plan. Every construction site should have a specific plan that outlines procedures for accidents. This includes evacuation routes, communication protocols, and assigned roles during emergencies. Stick to these procedures to maintain order and safety. Once everyone is safe, account for all workers. After evacuation or emergency response, ensure that all workers are accounted for at designated assembly points. No one should leave the site until cleared by emergency personnel or supervisors. Next, report the incident to site management and safety officers as soon as possible. Documentation should include details of the accident, injuries, and any hazards involved. This is essential for legal compliance and future risk management. Then, conduct a thorough investigation to identify the cause of the accident. Assess any hazards that contributed to the incident and update risk assessments accordingly. Involve workers who witnessed the accident to gather accurate information. Based on the investigation, implement corrective actions. Take steps to eliminate or control hazards to prevent similar accidents in the future. This may involve equipment repairs, changes in procedures, or additional training. Finally, provide support and follow-up care for injured workers. Ensure they receive appropriate medical treatment and support. Follow up on their recovery and return-to-work plans. Offer counseling or assistance if needed due to the traumatic nature of accidents. Use the accident as a learning opportunity to strengthen the site's safety culture. Update emergency plans, conduct refresher training, and reinforce hazard awareness among all workers. By taking these steps, you can help ensure that everyone stays safe and prepared for any situation on the job site.